Thursday, 8th of September. Came over to do some digging of the spuds. A couple of plants dug. The clouds got black. The rain started. Thunder and lightning. You can see my leeks there. Spinach there. Late sown of courgettes there. Beetroot, carrots. The rain coming down. Rain coming down. This is plot 6 of South Croydon allotments. And a bit of train spotting too. Slow lines and fast lines, wow.